So much going on and I don't know where to put it all. I should go out more but I won't. Who's gonna take the fall? I'm sad but I cannot cry. I'm left out and I don't know why. And I keep it all inside. 'Cause there was a time. There was a time. There was a time. There was a time. I don't wanna hear the same story over and over again. You constantly said that you're sorry, but you didn't change a thing. I don't know what you're looking for. I hope that you get better. You never replied to my letter, so I assume that you are fine. 'Cause there was a time. There was a time. There was a time. There was a time. When I think about you, it still lays heavy in my chest. I think I have never really been at my best. I don't believe everything they say, and that's okay. While I try to find some peace of mind, there was a time. There was a time. There was a time. There was a time. There was a time.